Radical transparency has always been one of the core values of my businesses. When I started Harrisburg Bookkeeping, I was open and honest, especially whenever I was mentoring other bookkeepers, trying to help other bookkeepers get started. I didn't hold back any secrets. I have an abundance mindset. I believe there is plenty of money, plenty of work, plenty of business for you and for me at the same time. So I was open and honest. If people had questions about what I was doing, how I was doing it, what was working, what wasn't working, I was more than happy to share. As entrepreneurs, there aren't coworkers. There's not a standard operating procedure. There's not a rule book or a playbook. I feel like we kind of have to stick together, especially local entrepreneurs. We're kind of doing this together. It's the wild, wild west in the world of entrepreneurship and owning a business. And I have carried over that core value of radical transparency into my investment fund, Zip Capital. I am more than happy to share my business numbers, my financial reports with interested investors. And I'm also more than happy to share how I'm doing things, what I'm doing. If you want to learn more about private money lending, I am more than happy to share my entire process, how I underwrite properties, how I underwrite borrowers, how I work with a real estate attorney, title agent, loan officers, how I draft documents, how I look at title insurance, property insurance, how I look at the actual property, pictures, scope of work, comps used to calculate the after rehab value, tax returns, financial reports. I am an open book. I am more than happy to share my processes because, like I said, I believe in an abundance mindset. If somebody else 5 miles away wants to start an investment fund and wants to be a private money lender, I'm okay with that because I truly believe that there is more than enough work. There's more than enough business in your local community. I think as entrepreneurs, we should try to work together a whole lot more than we actually do. I don't think much good comes out of us trying to compete with each other and keep secrets and hold back information. Instead, I promote radical transparency, an abundance mindset. I am all about passing on information for educational purposes. I'm not trying to brag. I'm not trying to boast, hey, look at me, look how awesome I am, look how much money I have. But instead, I truly want to educate people. I want to show you what's possible, how much money you can make, how much you can charge, how to run your business, how to do private money lending, good investment strategies. I don't know. Radical transparency has always been one of my core values. Let me know what you think. Do you think it's awkward and inappropriate to be radically transparent specifically about financials, or do you think that it could potentially lead to growth and education and help each other out? Let me know what you think.